Hi guys, I'm Tony Burgess and this is AVI-SPL Symphony. I'm at InfoComm 2026 and I'm here to show you some of the newer features that we have within our platform that we're demoing this week. So we go to Symphony here and you can see that we have a new AI assistant tool. Just like everyone else at InfoComm, we also have our AI agentic search. So if you have any questions about Symphony, if you want to know how to use it, if you want to see what we can support, now you don't have to dig through 100 pages of documentation. You can just ask questions right here and get the answer that you need right away. Now, beyond that, we also have a bunch of improvements for our room health report. So if you go over here to the room, you can open up a room health report. Why is my room unhealthy? Oh, my devices are down. The warranty is expiring on my device. The room resource calendar is not syncing correctly. There's been 27 tickets in the past 30 days. Obviously, this is a very poor performing room, but this is the information that you need in order to get your room to be in a very much better healthy state. Now, lastly, with also room health, let's go over to the QR code. This is called the room feedback code, right? And so with the room QR feedback code, you could put this into all of your rooms, and instead of someone having to call someone and disrupt the meeting, just have them scan this code. And then immediately within a second, you can create a ticket within Symphony without even saying a word. So that's some of the room improvements we've done to Symphony. We've added some AI to Symphony. Check us out at monitoring.avispl.com, and we'll love to talk to you more and get you guys into Symphony to show you the goodness of Symphony.